Catch your breath, we're diving into the 10 biggest unsolved mysteries about planet Earth. First, the Bermuda Triangle, swallowing ships and planes without a trace. Then there's the enigma of the Great Pyramids, built with precision that baffles scientists today. Third, the Taos hum, a low-frequency sound heard in New Mexico, source unknown. Fourth, we've the dancing plague of 1518, causing hundreds to dance until collapse. Fifth, the mystery of the Voynich manuscript, a book written in an unknown language or code. Sixth, the question of Stonehenge, who built it and why. Seventh, the eerie Nazca lines, vast geoglyphs in the Peruvian desert. Eighth, the unexplained disappearance of the Mayan civilization. Ninth, the secrets behind the underwater city of Yonaguni, Japan. And 10th, the unidentified Siberian sinkholes, appearing suddenly and without explanation. Mysteries, challenges to our knowledge, beckoning us into the unknown. Keep questioning, keep exploring, and one day we might just have the answers.